What's up everybody, my name is here from Synergized with another video for ab busting, fat burning juice. This video, one second, something's wrong. One second. There we go, much better now. So if you want to get jacked, ripped, and you have no time for cardio like I do, I have no time in my life for half hour, 1 hour of running on the treadmill like a hamster. Forget about all that garbage. You want to get abs, nice chiseled, fat burning abs? Every morning, you're going to do this. You're going to take 1 lemon, cut it in half. You're going to juice it. You're going to take an orange for flavor. And also, oranges are good. But today's video is about ab burning. So I'm not going to put the orange in. I'm just going to take that. Put it in here like that. Gives you a couple of ounces. Then, apple cider vinegar. This helps your gut. It promotes health. And also, it boosts your immune system, metabolism, and all of the above. So you take a tablespoon of that, mix it up a little bit. Now the water should be lukewarm or room temperature, not cold. Then mix in like that on half a glass. It's very important to put the water because the acid in the apple cider vinegar and the orange is gonna ruin your enamel of your teeth, and we don't want that. So you mix it up like that. You down it one shot first thing in the morning. That's the trick. First thing in the morning, you down one of these. Just like that. If you find it too bitter, add the orange. It's okay until you get used to it. If you guys like these tips and you want to get shredded without any cardio, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. If you tried it, comment. So please subscribe, like, and thank you very much. Bang.